Hi, I'm Mario, and today I'll be introducing you to Dustlight. Dustlight is a portable particulate matter measuring device for daily use. It shows you in real time how much alveolar dust you are exposed to. Dustlight uses an audible and visual traffic light system to inform you whether you need to take any precautions. You can also use Dustlight to test the effectivity of any measures already in place. The data collected by Dustlight can be viewed in the web and mobile apps, and a report can be downloaded. Dustlight is used in welding, woodcrafts, and mining, as well as in the chemical, food, and metal industries. You can find more use case examples by customers on our website. Dustlight comes in this box, which contains the device, a magnetic charging cable which can simply be attached, as well as a quick start instruction booklet. Now let's take a closer look at Dustlight. We have a shock-proof casing, the power button on the left-hand side, and the air inlet and outlet on the right-hand side. This must always be kept clear. On the back there is a clip to attach the Dustlight to your clothes. This can also be swapped out for a ClickFast connector. You can find a separate video about ClickFast on our website. To switch on your Dustlight, keep the power button pressed for a few seconds. You can see the current firmware version on the device's startup screen. Now the screen automatically shows us the dashboard. Here you can see the current levels of particulate matter in the air. In the top left corner of the screen you will also find your device's name, which can be changed via the app. On the right side you can see in red that the audio signal is currently deactivated. You can also see the battery level. At the bottom you can see the currently set material specifications. These can be changed in the app to more accurately measure welding fumes, for example. Press the power button once to continue to the next screen. Here you can see the last 8 hours as well as the median values. If you press the button again, you will see the QR code that takes you to our app. If you press the button one final time, you will see the device information. Here you can see the currently installed firmware, the country the device is set to, the operating mode, and the currently set threshold values. If you press the button again, you will return to the dashboard. Keep the power button pressed and the device will shut down. I will now demonstrate to you how quickly the Dustlight reacts using our testing spray. To do this, I will spray the device directly. As you can see, the device reacts immediately. If you have any further questions, feel free to send us a message at info@dustlight.de. You can also find more information on our website. Thank you for watching, and until next time.